I'm replacing the screen on a Dell Inspiron M5010 and 15R as they're called. Also, basically straightforward. First, we have to remove the outside cover. You really don't have to take anything else loose. You're just dealing with the screen, so you just can stay focused on that. I just actually just pull it loose. You can just pop it out loose. Some of them might be a little stiffer, but you just get something in pride, or you can grab it from the inside there like that. You grab from the inside of wherever you can get something in there to pop it a little bit at a time and work your way around the whole screen, and that comes off. Then you're left with this right here. Now, next, you will be doing these screws on the outside, which will take off the back cover. This one over here, and down here is 3 screws, which I already took out, and it's 3 screws here. So once you remove all this back cover or the falling, you better move the top part freely. I like to take the cable for the camera. I just like to go ahead and get it off right now, so I won't forget it. And there you go, simple to remove. Now, camera had to focus. Okay. And I'm basically doing this with one hand, so it's not that hard. Let's unscrew this screw. That pops straight off. Take that screw, unscrew that one. And that one's off. And my screws are falling everywhere. But that's okay. Alright, next you will be unscrewing the screws at the bottom here and over here. So let me go ahead and take these 3 out. And as you can tell, the back side of the screen fell down. Alright, I'm just going to leave them up there. Alright, now we just left with the frame, and that's all that's holding it. And if we can turn this around, you can see on the back side, you see that on the back side, just have a piece of tape, and this is the cable that plugs into your screen. So there you go, as you can see, and the screen also has the model number on it. If you go to laptopscreens.com, you can type in the model number and it'll pull up a screen for you, or you can put in the computer model and you just pull this off. Some of this stuff is stuck on there with tape. You just pull it off. Now you're just left with the screen, and you're almost there. Then you just take these screws off. It's 4 screws, so 2 on each side. Oh, let's see, that one is out. That's one side. I'll leave that screw for that right there. And going to the other side. And as you can see, it separates as I unscrew. It's going to fall on me. And there you go. So, simple Simple instructions. So I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to do the installation of the other screen.
Okay.
Alright, now the screen comes with a little film. You can keep it on there. Me, I tend to take it off. I had it on my other one. You can keep it on there while you install, so you won't get fingerprints all over there, but I'm just going to take it off. Alright, first, I want to flip it this way. And I'm going to lay this down like that. Take that and put it inside here. That's the cable for the screen. Make sure it's in there. And just put the little tape down on it. We're good to go. Mine is still kind of sticky, so I'm gonna run it like that. Then I'm gonna take the screen and I'm gonna sit it inside the bracket. Yeah. Take my Phillips screwdriver. Let's go over there. I'll start putting the screws back in. Okay, now I got those screws in. So this screw, that screw, that screw, and that screw. So next, I'm going to take the back cover and pull it up to the top. And next, I'll be putting in those screws and those screws. Okay, I got those screws in. Now I'm going that screw, the cable to the webcam, and that screw. Alright, we got all the screws in. We got the video cable in. Got that screw, and remember the screws on each side back in. Only thing left is for so you can kind of just lay it out like that. Lay it out, and then you just snap it back on. And you snap it back in place. And you're done. And that's it. The screen is repaired. You got your screen back in. Thank you very much.